Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be sharing my childhood favorite breakfast dish, Bombay toast. This recipe is excellent. Do try this Indian version of French toast. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. We need cardamom, sugar, eggs, milk and bread. So it's a very simple recipe and this is slightly different from the French toast because we fry the toast with some ghee. Now in a mixer jar, I've added sugar and cardamom. We will grind this to form a fine powder. Now once the sugar has formed into a fine powder, I'll be adding some milk and grind this further to form a smooth paste. Once the milk and sugar has combined well, that's when I'll add the eggs to this. We'll grind and form an even consistency. And once the eggs have blended well, you transfer it to a flat bowl or a flat plate where you can dip the bread slice in this mixture. So now I've transferred this egg mixture to a plate. I've also heated up a iron tawa on medium flame. Now I'll dip the bread slice in this egg mixture. Both the sides it should soak well, and we will transfer this bread slice on the hot tawa. Also season your tawa with some oil and ghee ahead of time. We need to fry this bread slice for 2 to 3 minutes each side on low to medium flame. Otherwise it will turn dark in color if you place it on high flame. I've added some ghee and fried the bread slice for 2 to 3 minutes on both the sides till it turned golden brown in color and served it. Do try this Bombay toast recipe, friends. It's very nice and tasty. This is my childhood favorite dish. I really used to enjoy this and I still enjoy it. The ghee flavor in this recipe is unique and tasty. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And do visit the description box below this video for more information. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.